What's going on, everyone? Joe back with Real Joe's Barbecue, and today I have a really tasty appetizer I'm gonna be making. I picked up this massive loaf of bread. There's a new store open up in town called Pure and Simple, and it's kind of like a farmer's market, but all in a store. So these are local bakers, local farmers. They bring in their merchandise. They can sell them there all week long. So this one's from Ben's Bountiful Bakery. And I mean, this thing's massive. I'm super excited. So I'm gonna take this guy, I'm gonna chop it up, and then I'm gonna baste it down with a little bit of PS Seasonings Cherry Bomb. And then we are gonna be loading it full of some of this amazing brisket that I smoked up. Got a video on how to smoke that brisket coming out. It won't be out until January 1st. So once that brisket's in there, I'm gonna load it down with some cheese and some garlic. So it'll be like a cheesy garlic bread brisket pull apart bread up. It's gonna be awesome. So we're just gonna get right into this. And if you guys are in the Tulsa area, look up that Pure and Simple market. And whew, thing smells good. I just wanna cut this in half and make a giant sandwich. We're gonna stick with the plan. Gotta stick with the plan. So I'm just gonna take it down on the side. So I didn't cut all the way to the bottom. I'm gonna take it the other way and do it this size. All right, so this is what we got. So it's gonna be a little difficult to get it how I want it, but what we're gonna try to do is baste between here, get some barbecue seasoning, barbecue inside each of these little holes. And this barbecue sauce has a sweet and spicy mixture to it, as the cherry bomb name would imply. Definitely gonna get a little messy. All right, so what I don't want to do is just chop this up into chunks and just shove the chunks in there. I kind of want to just break it apart, and I don't really want diced brisket, but this stuff pulls apart so easily. I think this is gonna be my plan. You guys just take a look though at that bark. And that smoke ring, whew, Char Griller 980 does it right when it comes to smoking stuff. And next week I'll have the video out on that and you guys can see how I smoked that bad boy. Some of the best thing about smoking a big brisket is you can find out a whole bunch of other things that you can do with the brisket and make a whole bunch of other side meals as you go. These big old fat pieces, you gotta have your automatic disposal units on hand. Come on, Whiskey, come on, come on. Sit. Good boy. All right, so I got a bunch of brisket here. What we're gonna start doing is just kind of putting it in here. Having the brisket in there will also help push that bread open. You know what I think? Try to get it on something to help spread that open. Probably put some wood underneath it in the smoker to kind of help that spread. It's definitely a group meal. There's gonna be a big finger food. You can use this for a game. Got the Chiefs coming up this weekend. That's looking awesome. Getting so full though, doesn't want to stretch much more. All right, now I'm just gonna kind of go back where there's bigger openings, shove a little more brisket in there. Now I'm gonna take some garlic. So I want a garlic cheesy bread. Holy cow. Look at that. That is cool. A little more garlic on top. This would definitely be good for a football game because check out that shape. Woo! So I'm gonna go throw this on the smoker. All the meat's already cooked, so basically I'm just gonna let that cheese melt down, let it melt into that bread and into the brisket, and this is gonna be awesome. We'll get it on the smoker. Woo! Look at that. Oh my gosh. Just take a look. That's amazing. Oh, that is definitely a tailgate football weekend food right there. What I'm imagining is getting a squirt bottle of barbecue sauce, doing this up like a football, be looking awesome. But I just can't, oh man, look at that. Whew. So my idea behind this was to make it like a finger food, so you can kind of just reach in here, grab some cheesy brisket bread out of there, and oh yeah. That has the garlic, that has the cheese, that has the brisket just falling off there. That is amazing. I'm just gonna, there's not much to say about it. It's so good. That cherry bomb barbecue sauce has a little heat, a little sweet. You got the cheesiness. I already knew the brisket was fantastic. So this just, it's such a fun thing to eat too. You just got so much stuff to pull apart. Even if there's not brisket in each bite, still got cheesy garlic bread. That is really good. I could see myself making this for another tailgate Chiefs Super Bowl this year. You know, it's gonna happen. We're gonna have this at it. I kind of want to just like break it in half. Oh yeah. Oh, that's so good. I only had it on the smoker at like 300 degrees for about 30-ish minutes. It all melted down. Brisket's warmed up. This isn't hot. I think this turned out fantastic. Definitely gonna cook this again. Quick video today, guys. Hope you like it. Got a lot coming out in February. Make sure you stay tuned. We got a new product review. We got that brisket. We got a chili. We got some crazy item the following week. Bunch of stuff coming out. Make sure you're subscribed. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.